Hey, Dr. Dave here with USU Extension. Today's Tuesday 2-minute tip. I'm excited to introduce you to Wally Goddard. Now, Wednesdays, you've seen tips from Wally. So those are Wally Wednesday, basically wisdom from Wally on Wednesdays. So those are the Wednesday tips, but that's Wally Goddard. And he's an amazing relationship, marriage educator, parenting educator. So I want to show you what he has developed as far as some parenting tips. Parenting can be frustrating, it can be overwhelming. So I'm going to actually show you a piece of my computer here. You can see his parenting house. And now you'll notice at the bottom, and I think this is foundational as well, the flourishing parent. That we have to be in a good place as parents. If we're not doing well, then it sure spills over into other areas of our lives, including our partner, our spouse, our children. So it talks about savor, flow, and serve. You can learn more about those concepts by Martin Seligman. So remember that name, Martin Seligman, and the book is called Authentic Happiness. Super great book. And so if when we're doing well, then we can, the next rung above that is compassion. I love that. I love that it's so close to the other one because compassion is foundational. It's fundamental. If we want to raise compassionate kids, then we've got to use compassionate methods, and we've got to be compassionate ourselves. One of the best things we can teach our kids is compassion. And then you go up, those twins next door right there are nurture and guide. Guide is all about helping them, teaching them responsibility, its consequences. Yep, it's some discipline. When things don't go well, we have to have discipline and consequences. Wally would say that the purpose of parenting is to help children get what they want in ways that we feel good about. And so the nurture is about the love. That's the love. It's helping them to become who they need to become. It's the love languages. And so it's really about love and guiding them in their journey as they grow up. And then you see at the very top is purpose, having a higher purpose in life, whether that is to serve, that is whether it's a spiritual purpose, but having that kind of a higher purpose in all of this. So I love those tips. Hopefully you gain something from that. Wally has great books. I highly recommend all of them. You can find them on Amazon. But Wally Goddard, Wallace Goddard, I guess. But great friend and man, wonderful, amazing educator. So you can look up any of his info and it's just rock solid. So that's all for now. I'm Dr. Dave with Utah State, sharing tips to make life great.